Good morning. My name is Navin-Chandra. I'm a federal tribal judge for several Native American tribes in the United States. Now, I want to talk to you today about the advantages and the benefits that you could enjoy being a enrolled tribal member. The first thing that you will enjoy is tax exempt status as an individual enrolled tribal member. Now, this is an opinion that was issued by the Internal Revenue Service in a tax court ruling, which is Revenue Ruling 67 284. You can Google that, Revenue Ruling 67 284. And if you're a tribal corporation, you enjoy tax exemption as well. That is in Revenue Ruling 94 16. Revenue Ruling, that is. You can Google it or call our office and we'll be able to give you all that information. The second advantage you will have is your right to travel within Indian country without a state-issued driver license. Now, you have no contract with the state. You can, if you want to have a contract with the state as a citizen. But when you become a enrolled tribal member, you are a denizen. A denizen is very different from a citizen. A denizen is someone who has occupied a particular habitat for a long period of time, way before European contact into continental America. The third benefit you can have is customary native title to your home. Now, this is important if you're facing a foreclosure, or if you have been foreclosed and evicted, or if you're current in your monthly payments. A federal law called 18 United States Code, Section 1151, is very clear about unextinguished native title. Now, your highways, your byways, your freeways, your rivers, your canals, your bridges, all of them have been built in Indian country. If an act of Congress does not extinguish native title, fee simple, land patents, allodium, land grants are totally useless. Indian title, Aboriginal title, is federal Indian law. Whether a state came into being, whether a county came into being, whether a municipal government came into being, it's neither here nor there. If an act of Congress did not extinguish native title, you have native title to your home. Now, this is important for those of you who are facing foreclosure, because they cannot foreclose on you until and unless they have superior valid title. Secondly, most states with a deed of trust, sale and purchase agreement situation, they have what's known as non-judicial foreclosure sales states. That is unconstitutional. A judge, a state judge who gives creditor relief based on an unconstitutional law has patently violated his oath of office. He has violated the oath of office of the state, and he has violated the oath of office based on the Constitution of the United States. In California, for example, California Civil Code 2924 is an affront to due process and equal protection of the laws. All right? So these are the benefits you can enjoy being an enrolled tribal member, especially if you're a homeowner. And God knows how you have been cheated, scammed, screwed, and skewered by the system. It's time you got up, asserted your rights, claimed your rights as a Native American. Now, even if you are a Korean, you're a Cambodian, you're a Mongolian, you're an African, you're whoever, it doesn't matter. The Supreme Court has made decisions in the past, which is still applicable law, that a tribe's right to determine and define its own membership is sacrosanct. because a tribal government's immunity, autonomy, and sovereignty predates the U.S. Constitution. Inherent sovereignty means I don't need a legislature granting me rights, which I have already had. So, give us a call, get to know who we are, go to my website, our website, www.scripturalaw.org. That is SCRIPTURALAW, Scriptural Law, 1L. And look into Indian affairs, and please contact us because we want to help you help the Native American cause. All right? Thank you very much for your time. God bless you.